Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here from My Pretty Charmed Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I did with the new Cinderella charms and how I incorporated those charms into my designs that I currently have and one that I currently redid. But before we get into the design, I just really want to take a look at this special little sleeve. It's just a little sleeve that they did special for this Cinderella gift set that came with 3 charms. And you have the 70 years right there. There's fun little starbursts all around. You have Disney by Pandora here, plain. It has a little tag on the back. It's really nice for a little collector's item. So this is what the box looked like. So one of the charms that they released in that gift set was this amazing little Suzy Mouse with the spool of thread. And this charm is gorgeous. The enamel work on there, the way you can see the thread, the tiny little needle. She is just adorable and so detailed. This is just an extraordinary charm. I even love the bottom with her little feet. And my one complaint about this charm was the pink enamel on here. Now I love this color, but as I was envisioning making a Cinderella dedicated bracelet, I really didn't want to add any other colors. I wanted to keep it classic Cinderella blue and silver. So I was not sure what I was going to do with this. But 2 of my dearest friends, they sew or quilt or they're very crafty when it comes to dealing with thread. I guess is the best way to say it. So this charm totally reminds me of Emily at Fashion Storyteller and Angie at Daily Charm Addict. And so I knew I wanted this charm, but what ended up happening is I needed to borrow a charm from this bracelet. And I'm going to show you what this bracelet is. This is my Disney princess bracelet. It really started to represent the princess breakfast that Presley and I did her first time going to Disneyland, but then it's evolved to pretty much all of the princesses here. And one of the charms that I had complementing Cinderella was the heart one that we'll see here in a minute. And I really wanted that for my design, but then I didn't want to not have a complementary charm here. And since this is obviously a very colorful bracelet, I thought that this went well here. So here you go. This is how I decided to design with the Suzy charm. Okay, now for the main design. So in the gift set, you got this Cinderella. It's the magical dress moment, or the magical moment where she transforms into her magical blue dress. You could see all those pink CZs going around. It's very pretty. Her dress is you can tell it's full and fluffy. It's got some star detail on there. I'm gonna go to the side here. She has a little star in her hand, and I'm trying to, I wonder if it's the wand, I'm not sure, but look at her hair. So her bun is kind of where this dangle connects. You can see the detail of her headband. They did such a good job with this charm. And then the other charm that came in the gift set along with that and Suzy is this button charm that has the clock on one side. Love Gus Gus looking at the time. And then you have the coach, the pumpkin coach over here on this side. Such amazing, beautiful detail scroll work around the sides. I just absolutely love this button charm. I love the starburst cutouts on the side. It's pure perfection. And I just love it. So what I did, I took apart some of my bracelets. I took apart my Presley blue bracelet and took the Cinderella Muranos along with Cinderella's Wish, and I added them to this. This is the charm I was referring to earlier. A dream is a wish your heart makes. And I wanted to add it to this as well, so that's what I stole from here. And then this was just on my 2-tone bracelet. And it's the Cinderella's Carriage. And so I took that from my 2-tone to put it on here. And you just have these little silicone clips. It is on the star sliding bracelet. And this is my, I think, final Cinderella design, you guys. I was tempted to create like a full bracelet and get everything, but not everything totally matches. I really love the shoe dangle with Gus Gus in the shoe. And what's the, oh my gosh, how do I not remember the other mouse's name right now? I really like that, but I really like this balance and her just being the only dangle and the centerpiece. I might even throw this on an open bangle, because if you don't know my thoughts on sliding bracelets, if they're too heavy, these do fall. And I kind of don't like the charm sitting on the bottom, so it could eventually make its way to an open bangle. But I think this is it. I think from the Cinderella collection, getting the gift set is what I'm gonna do. I do want the ring actually, so waiting for a sale for that, but I think this is it. And this is my design and my beautiful little Suzy Mouse. So cute. Did you get anything from the Cinderella collection, or are you? What is on your wish list? I hope that this is like a prelude into them doing more dedicated themes. I know we saw a lot more Ariel recently when they had Flounder and Sebastian and Ariel on with the pearl. So I'm hoping that we see more. I would love to see an expansion of Beauty and the Beast. Love it. But for now, I'm really happy with this. So leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.